Hello friends, today I will show you the problem of date and time adjustment. Here you can see my time is 5:39 p.m. Okay, if there is any problem with this time, you have to solve it. Okay, for this I have to go and press the right button and adjust day and time. Okay, then time zone, I am leaving Dhaka, so Dhaka. Then if you are from USA, then you have to select your USA. Here is Pacific time, US and Canada. If you are from Arizona, press this. If you are from Mountain Times, US and Canada, from this, press this. Okay, now you can actually solve this problem with a few seconds. How to solve this a few seconds? Please look at this. Set time automatically. If you turn on this properties, then it will automatically change. Okay. So friends, today video is over. Thank you everyone. If you like our video, press like option and please subscribe us. Thank you everyone.